I just joined the gym not too long ago, and I realized that when you go to the gym, there are certain things that you do need to have on you. So today's video is going to be a what's in my gym bag. Going to the gym, all the girlies that have been going to the gym for years and years and years, I have so much respect for you guys, because going to the gym is literally a routine. It is a level of discipline that needs to be attained, just like how you wake up to go to school. Literally, going to the gym is the same thing. It requires the same amount of dedication. So let's go ahead and see what I take with me to the gym. This is pretty much just a beginner starter pack. I'm not a pro, but I just felt like it would be cute to share with you guys what I have in my gym bag. This is my gym bag. It is from Evergreen. I got this on Amazon. I mean, you can use it for travel too and other things, but I just use mine to go to the gym. It is very, very light because it has like the foaming inside that makes it light to carry. And then it also has this piece right here, so you can turn it into like a shoulder bag. And then it also has a lot of compartments. But let's go ahead and see what I have in here. So I do like to also kind of like carry a emergency bag with me. I call this my emergency bag for the gym, because you just never know, guys. You literally just never know what could happen. Whatever it is, you know, just carry your emergency bag. So I have this bag, which I call my emergency bag. I got this from Victoria's Secret. I keep this inside of the gym bag and just carry it with me. So inside of this bag, pretty much I have actually really spacey, so it has a lot of compartments too. I have an extra pair of underwear in here, and then in here I keep my I keep my Vaseline. So I have my regular Lip Therapy Vaseline, which is OG. This is my favorite, best Vaseline hands down. And then I have my Touchland hand sanitizer. This is not worth $10, you guys, because literally all it does is just add smell. It doesn't sanitize my hands even the slightest bit. For me to be able to sanitize my hands, I'd have to use the entire bottle, which I am not about to do. But it smells good. I got the Vanilla Hydrating Power Mist, and it smells so good. And then I also like to keep some lotion in here. I always keep the Jergens travel size lotion, which you can get from CVS. I think I got this from CVS. This is really good. It's very hydrating, so I always keep this with me as well. And then of course, you can never go wrong with some aluminum-free deodorant. This is the best deodorant, hands down. If you're a girly that sweats a lot, and if you have sweat that has an odor, I don't have that, but if you do, this is the best deodorant, hands down. I'm telling you guys, in the summertime, this does me justice every single time. Every single time. So I always keep one of these. I have like a million of these. I have one in my car, one in my bag. Just this goes with me everywhere. And that's that compartment. In here, I mentioned I had my underwear. And then in here, I keep these face wipes. And the wipes are really just to have just in case. You know, you just never know. You might spill something. Just in case, you know, just keep some wipes with you. Always be prepared. I think it's a good idea to be prepared wherever you go, to be honest. And the gym is one of those locations for me, especially because I feel like I'm a newbie to the gym, but not really. But at the same time, I never had a gym bag. I never used to pack and all of that stuff. But I have gotten to the point where I want to have that convenience. And yeah, I think you should too. That's that. Another thing I like to carry is my claw clip. I always carry my claw clip because sometimes I just like to just pull the hair back, okay, tie it in the claw clip, and just leave everything like that in the claw clip and do my workouts. Other times, you know, we like to look cute and do our workouts with our hair down. But to be honest, to do some serious workout and actually work out, I need to feel comfortable and not cute. So That's why I carry this with me. In all of my emergency bags, or in my bags that I pack in general, I always keep a pair of glasses. These are my thermal glasses. This is what they look like. Yeah, I always keep a pair of glasses because I do wear contact lenses, but as someone who wears contact lenses, I've had emergencies previously where my lens literally just tore in half. And that would happen sometimes if your eyes are really, really dry and you kind of like, move around your eyelid. It can tear the lenses, especially if your eyes are super dry, which happens, So I like to keep these extra pair of glasses with me. These are super cute too, actually. I got these from 𝐕𝐄, by the way. I think I mentioned that. I also did a video about these in another video, so you can go check that out. So for shirts, this is just a regular like Champion shirt that I carry with me. I feel like Champion is doing their thing when it comes to workout clothes. I love the brand. I really, really like this brand. So I keep this shirt with me, and it's just thin enough. It's black, so it's sweat proof automatically. So that stays in my bag. And then I also like to have like a fleece kind of like shirt, just in case. I mean, I'm never really going to need it per se in the gym itself, but I do find that in the winter times, sometimes, after working out in your t-shirt or whatever, you can easily catch a cold. So it's important that you quickly, put on something warm right after. So I like to have this fleece coat as well. And then for my gym equipment, this is still like beginner level, but I do like to have this. This is like my key. Like, I am not going to the gym if I don't have this. This is what I use to do the donkey kicks. The donkey kicks is literally what has grown my glutes, especially the upper glutes. I've seen a drastic difference after doing the donkey kick exercise. Like, my hips have gotten a lot wider, and that shelf is being built. So make sure to get your hands on this. I think I got this from Amazon, probably like $4 or $6, but it has done me justice, and it came with 2 of these. So I do have another one that I usually also just leave in the car. And then I also have my gym gloves. These I like to have because I do find whenever I work out and I do my RDLs, I tend to lift really, really heavy weights. And I didn't have these before, but I had to get them because I noticed that the inner parts of my fingers right here, it started like not tearing, but it was hardening. Like the skin was getting super hard. And I'm at a stage where I'm not willing to risk my looks and to risk any of this like stuff. I don't want to risk anything I don't want to risk one thing for something else. So if I can prevent things, I'd rather do that. So I'm focusing on prevention, which is why I got these gloves. So you can use these when you're doing the lateral pull. I use these when I do the RDLs. I use these for lifting or touching anything. Like, I don't want my fingers to become hard and like the manly fingers. I'm staying away from that. Then I also like to have my Adidas leggings. This is my Adidas leggings. I have a pair of these. I love these. They're a little bit short, but they are super, super cute. In the winter time, I think I would probably wear these and then with longer socks since it's kind of like short. But I mean, I don't really think it matters, honestly. The gym is not a fashion show for me, but it's all about comfort and packing the right items. And then lastly, the last thing I have in here is my shoes, of course. So for the gym, it is so important to have shoes that are comfortable. And I think for me, the biggest thing is having flat shoes. These do, like, guys, let me come closer. Maybe you're not hearing me. These shoes will do it every single time. These shoes, literally, this is the Nike P6000 because it's like a flat shoe. This is it. I have the New Balance 9060s, but this is 100 times more comfortable. These are my favorite shoes. This is what they look like all around. and like the color just stays. I love the fact that it's not entirely white. If it was white, it would have been dirty by now, but it's like a light gray. This is what it looks like up close. Hands down, you guys, hands down, this is my favorite show. So everything in here is things that I would recommend 100 times. And so that was all I had in my gym bag. This was like a fun video to make because I feel like it's a new kind of video. I feel like it's like a new category of videos that I don't normally make, but I hope that you guys like this. And if you guys want to see some like gym videos, me working out in the gym, I might try. I'm not a tripod in the gym girly, but we might try and see if that works out. But I just made a new TikTok, you guys, so make sure to follow me on TikTok if you're interested, and I will see you guys in my next video. And as always, I love every single one of you guys. Have a beautiful